Boys and girls, it's a sad day here in YouTube land. Man, it doesn't even matter if you're a Chevrolet person or not. This hurts. This is a shame. The guy was blind drunk and lived to tell the tale. Went through a row of trees and then crashed into a house. And he just walked out of this scrapyard a few minutes ago. Now he was very badly injured. He said he was on life support for a while. Broke his back in 3 places, his neck, punctured his lung, broke ribs. Messed him up pretty bad. This is a 352 truck, 352 V8, single point distributor. It's got a new Holly carb on it, twin I-beam suspension, f100 custom cab. It's amazing that he lived, getting tossed around inside this thing like that. Look how far off the cab and the body have shifted. That's how bad it's bent and twisted. And this is an absolute shame because this body on this truck, I mean, it was absolutely phenomenal. And look at the cab corners. This thing was mint. I mean, look at the frame now that it's all twisted. I don't know what to tell you. Busted all the glass out of the truck except the back, and they had to pull it out to get him out of the truck, he said. Here's a fender. You know, this was back when cars were made of something. So this would have been the one time I wouldn't have mind having some good seat belts and an airbag. I remember a guy arguing one time on a Facebook post about he would never drive a newer car because of airbags and seat belts and stuff like that. He said it's just going to kill you. These new cars just crush when you wreck them. I remember thinking, yeah, but isn't that kind of the point? Absorb a little bit more of the impact. Well, this guy was moving quick enough it didn't matter that he had a whole bunch of metal between him. Still got crushed. I can't say that I would I'd want to crash either car to figure out which one I liked more, but I don't think I'd want to hit a wall in one of these. But here's the driver's side valve cover right here. There's the carburetor. So driver's side valve covers over there. I mean, just everything is rough. There's the transmission. There's a body mount right there sticking out. It broke the steering shaft. That is amazing. Steering wheel still turns. Twin I-beam Ford F100. 352 and 3 on the column. I'm wondering if it's a 66 because I've got their 66 tag on the front. Probably is. I think 66 to 72 was about the same generation or era Ford trucks. Gosh, it's just all messed up. So what do you think, guys? Would you rather have a... What would you rather do? Have to take a ride in a truck like this and go through that? Or would you take a newer car, see which one survived more? I mean, if you're wanting to save the car, I guess an older car would probably hold up better because of all the metal. But if you want to save yourself, you know, because if the car doesn't crumple during the impact, something has to give, and you're going to be the loose bag of bones in the middle that's going to get thrown around, or the car can take the force of the impact. I don't know which one I'd rather. I guess some type of solid medium would be nice, but what do you think? Look at the passenger floor. Yeah. Such a shame. Like I said, look at the cab corners. This truck was absolutely perfect. I mean, the inside of the bed, the floor is still here. I mean, this truck was incredibly solid for its age. Look at that. Tailgate still works. Alright guys, that's gonna end this one. See, I'm still trying to debate myself, because I know an airbag, you know, you can break your nose, break your jaw. If you're holding the steering wheel wrong, you can break your wrist or an arm. But then again, if you don't have that, your face slams into a steel rod, like in this case, and then you break your neck and your back and ribs and internal bleeding, collapse the lung, and all that terrible stuff that happened to this poor guy. I don't know. It's like picking a fate and both of them leading to death, you know. I just don't know. Ugh. Anyway, end of the road for this truck. Depending on how bad it's going to be to rip the front end off of it, we might try to start it. Get a sawzall on there and just cut everything out from around the motor. See if it'll light off. Wouldn't that be something? Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Remember folks, don't drink and drive.